we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DOGHLY 1.8 cubic feet compact, portable laundry dryer with 5 functions, exhaust duct, stainless steel liner. Consists of the following features. Compact and portable, weighing just 32 pounds, this clothes dryer is compact and easy to transport. Ideal for small spaces like apartments or dorms, it can be wall-mounted, placed on a firm surface, or set on a rack. Multifunctional drying modes. Choose from various drying settings based on fabric and weight. Cool down, last 20 minute, anti-wrinkle/easy iron, 60 to 90 minutes, standard garments, 90 to 150 minutes, bulky clothing, 150 to 180 minutes, gentle cold air, 0 to 80 minutes, note. Use after dehydration for better drying effect. Powerful and efficient, despite its small size, the dryer offers 800 watt power and a 5.5 pound capacity. It reaches a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safe drying for your clothes and skin. Quiet operation. Designed to run quietly, this dryer won't disturb conversations or sleep. Durable and high quality. Built with a stainless steel drum for long-lasting use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.